Hello, everybody. All the world consciousness community members, sisters, brothers. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. At this special time, many people celebrate the Christmas day. So in all over the world, many people, their hearts are very relaxed and joyful. This naturally created a beautiful consciousness field. Now, we use our Mingjue consciousness field merge with this positive information consciousness field. This is very good for improve our inner GongFu. Because so many people, their consciousness are happy, they merge together, make the consciousness field very strong and grounded. When you open heart, you relax, merge with the whole world positive consciousness field with our Mingjue. Yeah, this can improve our Mingjue, improve our energy, and at the same time make your family T field, information field, and consciousness field stronger. So it's a good time to practice. Yeah. If you know enough time to practice, you just use your consciousness connect with this feeling, enjoying this feeling consciously in Mingjue state. Naturally, your inside will have good transformation. So in the past, all the organizers and participants of the World Mingjue Consciousness Community work together, practice diligently. This helped our Mingjue level consciousness field already improved to a certain level. So here, from my heart deep inside, I thank you for what you do and what you effort. The next year, we will make a better and a deeper level program for improving everybody's GongFu and our consciousness field. We will try to use a simple and more effective way to transform our life and benefit our world. So at this beautiful Christmas Day time and New Year time, let's be totally open heart, relax, forget everything. Just immerse yourself into this beautiful consciousness field. Again, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. 宏远灵通，好了，好了，好了，宏远灵通，好。